Power on.
Guess who's back, folks? It's Baryer, Handy Andy from handyandymedia.com. Another day, another speaker, another Raycon speaker. That's right, folks. We got another speaker from our boy Ray J. If you all know Ray J, that is Brandy's younger brother. I have been totally trolling this dude on my channel because I end up reviewing his products. And today we got a new one. This is called The Fitness Speaker by Raycon. In this review, we'll look at the design of the speaker. It is a fitness speaker, so... Well, that was pretty epic. It is a fitness speaker, so your boy here is, of course, going to do some jump rope testing with this. And then I'll just kind of give you my overall thoughts, how I think of this as a fitness speaker. Because the question is it all marketing? Did they just hype this up as a fitness speaker? Or is it inherently a fitness speaker, an alternative to, say, wearing headphones? So without further ado, you know how we do here at Handy Andy Media. Folks, sit back, relax, get your popcorn ready, and cue the intro. So let's begin with the design. Now you look at this, you would actually kind of think that it's a 360-degree speaker, and you'd be partially right. It would be 360 if it were not for this back part here, which is these rubber feet. And so there is no sound in this one spot, so it's not truly 360, but it's pretty darn close. It's also got an IPX7 water resistance rating, and that means it can be submerged in 1 meter of water. So using this out in the rain is going to be not a problem. Now, it is meant to sit down like this, flat like this. However, if you kind of take a closer look, you'll notice that there are these like little mini feet on each side of the subwoofer. So it allows you to kind of sit it upright. However, I'm pretty sure that it's really designed to sit like this. You also notice on the top you have these two clips, and that's because it does come with an included strap, shoulder strap, so you could kind of carry it with you wherever you go. And that's kind of important because if you look at this design, there's really nowhere to hold it. There's no handle, no place to kind of grip it. So you kind of have to hold it with one hand like I am right now when you're carrying it if you don't have the straps. On the top, you do have your typical controls. You have your volume up and down, your power, and your pairing in the beginning. And of course, you know, being that it is a Raycon speaker, they have to do this thing that we've seen every time, a feature that I really don't like. And if you saw my other videos, you know.
Raycon. Power on. Pairing mode.
By the way, there was this guy on YouTube.
Power off.
This guy on YouTube commented on a previous Raycon video that they call it Raycon because it's a total con by Ray J. And I told him I was going to steal that joke. And so here we go. I am stealing that joke. Now, this is being positioned as a fitness speaker. So what's your boy going to do? Of course, you know I'm going to go outside and jump me some rope with this. And to really kind of gauge on both how it functions as a fitness speaker and also the sound quality, because I have this epic jump rope playlist that I listen to all the time. And so I played that. I even played my own music, this song I have called Fight or Flight. I wrote it like years ago. Every time I hear it, it makes me want to do push-ups. Now it makes me want to jump rope. So you know what? Why don't I just go and cut to that clip? I'm going to show you Fight or Flight because YouTube cannot ban this music because I wrote it. So I'll cut to this clip right now so you can kind of gauge and hear how it sounds and see your boy jumping rope. So let's do that at 3, 2, 1. So all in all, you know, when I was using this outside jumping rope, I have to say it is very, very loud. A thing I did like about it is that it does have a lot of bass. And when I'm jumping rope, I need a lot of bass because I actually use the bass and I use the rope almost like an instrument. And so I'm basically like a metronome. I'm a human metronome timing the beat. So if you have a lot of bass, it's really easy because you kind of almost feel the music as you're jumping. And that's what I did and something I liked about it. However, I noticed that there's not a lot of high ends. It's not very bright. on the high ends, which is going to be okay. There are the 3 sound profiles. They have the balance, they have the pure sound, and also the bass sound. For me, I've always liked the balance sound. I don't think people are going to switch between it a lot. But, unless you're an audiophile, you'll probably be okay with this because it's supposed to be geared as a fitness speaker. Which brings me to my next point. What is it about this that makes it an inherent fitness speaker? The answer is not much. Like, it's just pretty much an everyday speaker that they just decided, hey, we don't have a fitness speaker. Let's call this the fitness speaker. And now we have a fitness speaker. Like, put some fitness inherent features if you're going to call it a fitness speaker. For example, Ray J, I'm going to give you some advice, some free advice right now on what you could do. If you like it, put me on your R&D team or give me your sister's phone number. Either or will work. One feature that I would like to see is a countdown timer. So people that do interval training, high intensity interval training, typically you would want like a timer, like 30 seconds or 1 minute. And every time it hits that, it beeps. So you go to the next exercise. Something like that, an inherent feature like that where you could set it up 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 45 seconds. That would make it a fitness speaker. But all in all, there's really nothing inherent that makes this a fitness speaker. It's just a Bluetooth speaker that's rugged with the IPX7 design that's waterproof with 12 hours of battery life that you could use as a fitness speaker, but it's not a fitness speaker per se. That said, it's okay. I think in Canada it costs about $200, which is pretty expensive. If I was Raycon, and Ray J, listen to me. Again, here's some other advice. Make it smaller. Make it the size of a water bottle so that people can put that into their gym bag. This is pretty big. You don't even have a handle. Not everyone's going to want to use the strap. Come on, Ray J. You can do better, dude. I don't know who... I think you got a bunch of yes men who just sit around and just like, yes, Ray J, yes, Ray J. Nobody's criticizing you. When you try to sign off on this stuff, you just got too many yes men. You need someone like me who will tell you the truth, dude. Okay? For reals, I'll tell you the truth. Who's giving you advice, buddy? Anyways, I digress. Sorry, I'm always giving Ray J a hard time on this channel. But if you are looking for a fitness speaker, of course, you could get this. I personally would probably get something smaller, something that's a little more portable. But it does have a lot of bass on here. So another Raycon speaker. Another one, they have the everyday speaker that I reviewed, the power. They have the boombox. And now they got a fitness speaker. It's pretty much all the same stuff, just packaged and marketed a little different. Anyways, I'm just ranting at this point. Folks, if you like this review, please smash that like button, leave your comments below, and of course, subscribe to this channel. If you want to get more information about your boy, hit me up on my website, handyandymedia.com. And of course, leave any of your questions or comments below. Once again, Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you again next time.